So first step, you're gonna go to the app Fonto, and don't worry guys, because all of the apps that we're using is available for both Android and iOS devices. Next, you're gonna click use plain image and change the color to a green color so we can make it into a green screen later on. Then we're gonna use that as a background. So it's time to add our text. So I'm just gonna add a text, wavy text for example, and I'm gonna choose the font Keep on Truckin' because this font is very trendy at the moment. One thing to keep in mind is that you want your text to be a bit small, not too much, but just a little bit, and make sure that no element of the text is color green. The stroke, the text color or shadow should not be green, or else this won't work when we use it into a green screen. It just looks messy. But if you do need to have a green color text, you need to change your background color into something else that's not the color of your text. So I hope that makes sense, but you can customize your text however you want it to be. Next, you're gonna go to the app called Mega Photo. Then you're gonna click the settings button at the bottom and enable image or video from library. Then you're gonna import your image that we've loaded at Fonto and select filter at the bottom. And you're gonna scroll all the way to the side until you see this round dog. So here it is, and you're gonna select this filter at the top to make it a wavy text. As you guys can see, there's a ton of wavy text effect you can choose from. I'm gonna choose this one because I don't know, I really like it. So you're gonna switch from record mode and start recording how long you needed. Okay, so once you're done with that, we're gonna go to CapCut or CapCut Pro. And the reason we're going here first is that if we go to your video editor and import the video that we've recorded at Mega Photo, then the recorded video is not supported, and you guys will see later on. So you're gonna want to create a new movie, and I'm just changing the background to green. You're gonna import the video that we've recorded at Mega Photo, and you're gonna crop or zoom it to get rid of that annoying watermark at the bottom. So it will look something like this. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're finally gonna export it to your camera. I'm just muting my video because the record picked up these sounds. Then I'm going to KineMaster. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. This also works for Pocket Video, iMovie, Power Director, or anything that has a green screen feature, keep in mind. So you're gonna wanna create a new movie again and import a background. You can download static backgrounds like this one at Pinterest, or you can just download from Google Chrome or Safari. So for example, this marble background, I'm gonna choose you're gonna want to go into layers, then media, and import the wavy text green screen from CuteCut. Here I'm just resizing my video, and you're gonna push chroma key and enable it. If you're not using a green background, you might want to change the key color into the color of your background, so it will erase that. You can also make some adjustments if you want it to look more nice, and it will pretty much look something like this.